Hello, wine students. Welcome to University Wine, the channel where we dive deep into the world of wine. I'm your host, Professor Weisse. Today, we start the 200 series by diving straight into the basics of the vine. Winemakers do not forage for grapes. Grapes for winemaking are grown in carefully managed vineyards. Grape growing is a highly skilled job that requires the grower to control the vines in order to produce a regular crop of healthy grapes. That said, grapevines are resilient plants that can live for 60 years or more, cycling through growth like clockwork. Every year, a vine follows a similar pattern of growth. Spring marks the start of the growing season. A vine grows new shoots, leaves, and flowers, and by the end of the summer, the flowers have transformed into a crop of ripe grapes. In the autumn, the vine drops its leaves, marking the end of the growing season. And during the winter months, vines are dormant and do not grow. There are a number of different species of vine that are native to either Europe or North America. However, it is the one European species that is, in a vast majority of instances, used to make wines. Vitis vinifera. Just like any plant, there are lots of different kinds. They're all part of the same family in Europe, but each one has its own special traits. In the case of the vines, these differences affect the appearance of the grapes, as well as their tastes and flavors. For example, the grape variety Riesling is not only different in color from the variety Cabernet Sauvignon, but these two varieties have very different flavors too. But what does a vine crave? Like all plants, a vine needs certain things in order to grow and thrive. Because the vine is rooted to the ground, it has to take everything it needs from the soil where the roots are, or the air where the leaves are. A vine needs 5 things: warmth, sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and nutrients. The sun provides the heat and sunlight. Without enough heat, a vine cannot grow. This is why it becomes dormant in the winter. Sunlight has a very special role. It allows the vine to combine carbon dioxide gas, which is taken in by the leaves, and water, which is taken up by the roots, in order to produce sugars. This process is known as photosynthesis. The vine uses the sugars to power its growth and ripen its grapes. In order to grow healthy shoots, leaves, and roots, a vine also needs small amounts of nutrients that are taken up by the roots. There you have it, the fascinating world of vines. From ancient trunks to the miracle of photosynthesis, understanding vines is the foundation of great wine. Next time we'll explore the grape's anatomy. Like and subscribe. Cheers. Until next time.